this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we are going to do 5 poses for weight loss. And believe me, you are going to see huge changes. Just we need to be consistent with our practice. So let us start. First, Ustra Asana. My back is very much stretched. Now let's do Setu Bandh Asana. Do the movements. Again, hold. Let's do Pavan Mukh Asana. Naukasana. My favorite Bal Asana. Sit on your heels properly. Exhale, go down. Be there for 30 seconds. Poon Titli Asana. Hold properly and stretch. With a beautiful smile. No stress, no strain with yoga. Let's do it more. Very slowly go down, exhale. With this, I request you follow diet also. After 5, we should stop eating oily food, junk food, no salt and sugar after 5 and drink lot of water. Every half an hour, half glass of water. Hope you liked our video. Do share and subscribe. We'll come back again. Thank you.